I now invite Chief Justice Honorable Mother Koome. Karibu sana.
Thank you very much, Bishop Kamumoe. It is an honor for me, a very great honor, to be given this opportunity to convey our condolences on behalf of the judiciary and the government of Kenya. As we understand, our president is out of the country on official duties. We stand with the Catholic Church to mourn and celebrate a great servant of God, His Holiness Pope Francis, who served the Lord with distinction, tirelessly working to the last day to touch the lives of the many people that he served. We particularly celebrate him here in Kenya for the holy visit he made in this country and touched many, many people. The legacy that our Pope has left and the seeds that he planted, seeds of love, championing justice, seeking peace, traversing the entire globe to bring peace to the world. May that be a great legacy to us all, and may it touch all of us so that every day of our lives that God gives us on this world and on this earth, we can ask ourselves whether we are sowing seeds of love or we are sowing seeds of disunity, whether we are sowing seeds of peace or seeds of violence, whether we are sowing seeds of unity or seeds of disunity. Thank you very much, the Catholic Church, for the work you have continued to do also in this country, to educate our people, to treat the sick, and to give us hope. May God give us another servant, give you another servant to carry on the work of our great Father, His Holiness Pope Francis. We stand with you during this time of mourning and continue to pray that God Himself will fill the gap that has been left. God bless you and God be with you. Amen.